Beautiful case for Nova Vista Cobra pistol. It's a new stuff from Nova Vista pistol. Comes with buttstock, with adjustable length pull, and it's a folding buttstock. Okay, very nice, strong, very strong, well made. And this is dust cover. I removed this one. I will explain why. This is the bipod. I don't like it, but I've got a good bipod. And it comes with 2 magazines of 9 rounds each. Okay, very good, beautiful. Some Allen keys. Okay. Yeah, I will explain why I removed the dust cover, because you can put your silencer. This is half unit thread here. You can put any moderate for tutu, no problem. And let me put one here. I'm running this one here, short or compact one. Okay. I removed this the dust cover because when I want to feel it, I have to remove the moderator to take out the cover, because it's touch here. I designed this 3D dust cover with this hole here to connect to the fuel probe here. Okay, the pin probe, sorry. Okay, it has the picatinny rail for bipods, picatinny for scope rail. Okay. Okay, very nice this one here. So let me connect to this one here. The side lever is on the left. Well made, very strong, well made, stiff, very nice, no play. The safety is here. The maximum pressure is 310 bar. This is M22. Okay. Trigger is the second stage. It's good, not bad. Okay. Let me attach the bipod. You connect here. Okay. Take like this. Hold on this side here. Allen key 5. That's not good. Yeah, very nice, very strong, no play. Just push this one in. Okay, you put on the back, walk around on the hoods. Okay, you can adjust the length of balls. Very nice, huh? I like it. Well made. The trigger's nice. I like the cocking lever. Very nice, huh? Very nice. New kids in the block.